All right, so we just saw this Mariah Carey thing last night. What a train wreck. Um, what the hell happened? She was always a prima donna. She was worthless from day one. She came here, she goes, I want everything pink in my room. Ah, da, da. But I'll tell you, the best show I've ever seen out there was 2011. Who was it?
Lady Gaga.
You bet your ass. That girl sang her heart out.
Yes.
What did Mariah do last night?
Train wreck. Train wreck.
Wah,
Lip syncing.
wah, wah, wah.
Sad.
Yeah. Her career, well, I wanted to say her career was over years ago, but last night definitely sealed the deal.
That was so sad.
Goodbye, Mariah.